If your Etsy balance shows payout pending and money has not reached your bank, your account needs attention. In this video, you will learn what payout pending means and how to fix it step by step. Etsy payout pending means Etsy has not released your funds to your bank account after a sale. This happens for several clear reasons. First, check your deposit schedule. Open Shop Manager, go to Finances, select Payment Settings. Review your deposit plan. Etsy sends payouts daily, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. If your deposit date has not arrived, the payout stays pending. Second, review your bank and card details. Open Payment Settings, confirm your bank account information is complete and correct. Add a valid debit or credit card if Etsy requests one. After updating bank details, Etsy places a short security hold for 5 days. Third, review your account status. New shops often face a review period before the first payout. Etsy also places payment reserves on some shops due to risk signals. Adding tracking numbers to orders helps release funds faster. Fourth, check your balance. If your account shows unpaid Etsy fees, payouts stop until the balance returns to zero. Finally, allow processing time. After Etsy sends the payout, banks take a few business days to process the transfer. That's how you fix Etsy payout pending.